In recent years, the American manufacturing sector has changed. Everyone is talking about Industry 4.0. At Sure Controls, we understand this and will bring the best solutions to you through superior products, engineered integration, and training. At Sure Controls, the golden rule is plant automation to make you smile. Our goal is to do our job so well that we leave you, the customer, smiling. For many business owners and CEOs, deploying automated technology is often easier said than done. From machine repairs and maintenance to difficulties meeting production demands or finding qualified employees, automation can be difficult. Here at Sure Controls, we help make it easier. Based in Greenville, Wisconsin, our in-house team of experienced professionals combines expert technical skills with responsive customer service to provide industrial automation solutions for manufacturing businesses across Wisconsin. We help make plant automation profitable, improving the quality of your products and the safety of your employees. Our turnkey automation solutions include project management, design, programming, testing, installation, and acceptance. In order to support the life cycle of your assets, we also offer troubleshooting, downtime recovery services, preventive maintenance, calibrations, repairs, and training. Sure Controls is a one-stop for fully integrated engineered solutions with the skill and experience to ensure success and the responsiveness to handle crisis situations. We help find profitable solutions for all sorts of plant automation problems. To consistently deliver the results customers have come to expect from us, we focus on 5 core competencies: robotics, plant intelligence, web handling, thermal and fluid processes, safety. Whether you are purchasing a $20 sensor or a $1 million integration solution, you can expect the same level of product and support. There is no substitute for experience. Order product directly from our e-store or call us to talk through it. Ready to get started? The way the manufacturing sector operates may have changed, but customer service never goes out of style. To find out how Sure Controls can help you, call 800-844-8405 and talk to a real person today. Plant automation to make you smile is just a phone call away.